To add a device care widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. From the widget screen, we then scroll down. In here, I'm going to open up device care. Then in the device care section, there are different widget size. So you've got the small one, 2x1, then medium size, 2x2 or 4x1, and a larger size, 4x2. Now select one of the widgets, and then we're going to drag it and place it onto your home screen and let go. And that's it. Here, there is an optimize button that I can just tap on it to quickly optimize my phone. And it has been optimized, and tap on the back key. Here it will also shows you how much capacity, storage capacity that you have, how much RAM is being used at the moment. You can tap on it for more details down here. And that's it. So if you want to regularly optimize your phone, you can place a widget on your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.